bottom one. Now all those things we did to the bottom, we're going to do it to the top clothes, which is dodging and burning.
Yeah.
Okay. Most times you can just duplicate these ones and go and put it on top and click mask it. So I'll just hold down Alt. Duplicate in Photoshop is just ability to hold down Alt. And I just focus. You can see that because I duplicated, you see that the effect is applying on those areas more and thicker.
Yes.
You get sometimes when you want something very, very much, you can go and duplicate the dodge and burn.
Okay.
And maybe control them. But this one, I want to apply to the top. I want to clean all these ones I've applied because it's for the top I want to concentrate on. So what I will do is that I will fill it with black. The mask I'm talking about, I'll fill it with black. So everything I put there will clean. Notice everything is gone.
Yes.
Yeah, all those small things. Again, fill it with black. Make sure it's black that is selected. It's black that is here, content black. So fill it with black. So everything is gone. So it's fresh now.
Okay.
I don't want to be going over creating the curve, renaming it, and all that. There's no need for all that. If we've done it before, we can just duplicate. So over here now, let me continue with my pen now. This is the top clothes. So the illusion here is that the ones at the midpoint shines, the ones at the edges darkens.
Yeah.
Somewhere around the edges too you can shine.
Yes.
But here dark, somewhere around here shine. So all those ones that are here, you have to just control it. We didn't finish this one somewhere around here, but because it's a tutorial, I'll just brush it off. So I'll go for the bunny. The brush tool selected. The opacity is 40. Let's take it to 30. What else again? This thing is shaking. I don't like the way it's shaking is now. So reduce brush size. Not X. Paint. Oh, it's too much. Control Z. Reduce the brush size. Same here. Same here. Have you seen that it has created depth already?
Yes.
I still want to create another depth in between because I'll put shine. So somewhere around here, I just put like a small depth as if the cloth enter inside.
Yes.
Then I go for dodge. So that's exactly the depth I want. If I still want more of the bone, especially in this area, I can just add. Okay, so that one is done. Now the next is the shadow around this area. Shadow around this area. So it's still born. Let me just born out through. Increase it to 80. Increase the brush size and just burn the areas I want to burn. Okay, let's assume these places are burnt. It's just for you to determine anywhere you want to. Yeah, but you must also not forget the rule of the edges. The edges that are going through, so they have to stay burnt. So let me now touch. let's zoom out so you see.
Wow.
If you just play with it, you just be getting results you want. So continue with this edges too. Not to dodge. Boom now. This time, bomb this area more. Let's take it to 80. Bomb this area more. Because this is, assume that this is above this. So, bomb this area more. Fade away there. Same thing happens here. Bomb this area more. It's too much. Take it to 50. Reduce the brush. This area. And dodge. Increase the brush. It's making some jittering I don't like. Eight. Three. That's a 4. Increase the brush. Alright. Yeah. Exactly what I want. In between here it's okay. And this is above, so increase the brush. Make it shine. Make it shine. And boom. Boom here. Boom through here. Dodge. Now this place is passing through.
Okay.
We must be bound to a 80. Same here. Same here. In between we can put some dodge, but we must still show that thing went through. Reduce the dodge to, let's say, 40. Reduce the brush size. That's somewhere around the paint. Maybe it's, I think that's the only place I figure out. Reduce the brush size. Yeah, it's passing through. So bomb. Bomb here. Then what's the size? 40. Okay, that's fine. Always be conscious of whatever is into
Okay, this size.
the size and also the opacity. So this is it. So imagine this thing without the dodging and burning. Let me remove it. See how it was before?
It doesn't look good.
It doesn't look real. So look at after the dodging and burning for the bottom and for the top. You have some realism in it. I've not finished working on this. Like if I finish romancing this thing, you even say, as in, can I pick up this thing out of the system? Yes, it will look like that. So I'm going crazy with this workshop.